Hey everyone, it is time to do something for yourself. Well, my name is Mike Dew, and why would I say that? I want to give you a little bit of information and tell you why I say that. Time to do something for yourself. It's early 2025, and so many of us have struggled over the past few years with the rise in inflation, prices going up, loss of jobs coming out of COVID. It's been really a past few years that were complicated and caused problems for a lot of people. I know myself, I've always worked for myself for the most part. I grew up in a family business and had the luxury of working for myself. I did hold a few jobs, but had multiple different businesses and liked working for myself. But this past few years of the economy the way it is has caused struggles for my wife and I'm even back to work at a part-time job. So I feel your pain if you're working a job or a part-time job or 3 jobs, 4 jobs. I understand, and it's not something that any of us really want to do. But when it's time to do something for yourself, I just decided that I wanted to find something so that I could work for myself and can be my own boss and do something for myself. And I've looked at many different opportunities, tried many different things, and some worked okay and some didn't. But, I don't know that I really thought about myself when I was doing things. I was thinking about others, which is a good thing to do, and, others in the family and, others around me and helping others. But when I decided I wanted to do something for myself, I was introduced to Savings Highway Global. And it's not the first time that I'd heard of the company. I actually had joined the company as a member back before COVID. And when COVID hit, it kind of disrupted everything that they were doing. And I moved on, and, things happen in life and you go different ways. But recently I was introduced to take a look again, and man, oh man, was I really amazed at what I've seen and realized that I can do something for myself. You can work at building a business with Savings Highway Global. You can make a few $100s a month. You can make $1 million a month. I don't make any claims or any false income claims or nothing that I can't substantiate. It's a work program. We all have to work, but it's two sides of a coin. Savings Highway Global has different membership levels, and at each membership levels, you are offered ways to save money in ways that your family needs to do it. Gasoline, groceries, medical care, many different things. So each level has benefits that are very helpful. I personally am a Titanium member and highly recommend that, because at Titanium, you get 21 different benefits. And when you sit and analyze them, boy, is it worth it. We're going to do another video soon analyzing each of the benefits. But for now, below this video, you can click a link that's going to take you to the website. You can review the membership levels and the benefit levels. And you're going to realize that with Savings Highway Global, you can do something for yourself, and you can do it now. And I highly recommend it. I'm here to be of help too. I can answer any questions for you, can provide more information. I'm really here to help you be successful. Like I said, I had been working part-time job and wanted to find a way to do something for myself, and I have. I love this company. Great people, really great people. So anyway, I appreciate you watching this video. Give us a thumbs up and like the video. Subscribe to our channel. We're going to have information coming on a regular basis, and we'll get back to talking about benefits in another video. But as I mentioned, below for now, click the link, take you to the website, and you can read about everything. It's time to do something for yourself. Bye for now.